So, good morning. Next, we must move on to urine formation. Okay, it is in page 157. It is urine formation. Okay. So, we said we already have learned the function of kidneys is to remove the nitrogenous waste, urea, plus excess water, poison and excess water and salt, etc. Poison we cannot say because not always we are not eating any poison, so once in a while something enters our body, it also would be removed. Okay, so it is removing urea and excess water and salt. So how this urea is formed, that we have already learned. It is when there is more protein, like when we eat protein which is needed for our growth. Okay, so when more protein is taken, the excess protein cannot be stored in the body. So proteins, it is digested to amino acid, and then extra amino acid, it will be going to liver, where it is deaminated, means the amino group is removed, and then that it is joining with carbon dioxide. So you will learn more about that one afterwards, but this extra amino acid, it will get deaminated, and then it is urea is made. Okay, so urea is formed from protein. This is the flow chart of that one, or this is the thing. So the extra urea, it is actually a poisonous thing. So it cannot be tolerated, or it cannot be stored in the body, cannot be tolerated by the cells. So what, it must be removed, and it has to be removed by dissolving in water. So urea, the nitrogenous waste, it is dissolved in water, and then it is excreted through the kidneys. And who is doing the filtration? Filtration is done by the nephron. Okay, so the urea that is formed in the cells, okay, the nitrogenous waste, that is, the blood will be taken, it will be dissolved in water, and it will be taken to the kidneys, and in the kidneys the filtering unit, nephron, will filter it out. Okay, so the urea is dissolving in water, forming urine. Okay, so urea plus water, it dissolves in water. Also the excess water and salt, all these things together, excess water, salt, all this together forms the liquid known as urine. So did you get how the urine is made? The nitrogenous waste urea is dissolving in water, and then the excess water and salt, all these things together, it is made, urine is made. And I told you, urine will be filtered out, and then it will be stored in the urinary bladder, and then it will be excreted out. Now, this urine, you know how it is entering into the urinary bladder. First it is filtered into the nephron, and then it goes from the kidneys, it is going to the, like there are two kidneys. From there, two ureters are there. They are joining like in the urinary bladder. So from here the urine will be entering into the urinary bladder through the ureters. Okay. Now, how can we say what is excess water and salt? When we drink a lot of water and our body is not sweaty, for example during winter season, Okay, we are not sweating. So there is not too much of water loss from the body. So in that case, the excess water, the body doesn't need that much of water, so it will be excreted through the urine. And sometimes during summertime or when we do vigorous exercise, we sweat a lot, so there is a lot of water will be lost. So in that cases, kidney will produce small volume of concentrated urine. That means the body doesn't want to lose much water. So it will make small volume of urine, concentrated urine. Okay. So small volume of concentrated urine. In which condition it is produced? When we do exercise, if there is water, lot of water is lost from the body through sweating, then the kidney will produce small volume of concentrated urine. If we are not sweating or if there is no chance of water loss from the body, then it will, or if you drink lot of water, it will produce big or large volume of dilute urine. Okay, large volume of dilute urine. So you got how the urine is made. The urea is made from the protein and then it will be dissolved in water, and the excess water and salt together they make the urine. And there are in two situations they can produce, like if there is lots of water is lost from the body, they produce small volume of concentrated urine. If there is no loss of water, then they produce large volume of dilute